Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create a Snapchat story settings that keeps viewers coming back every week. Let's get started. So first, you need to pick a weekly theme. Choose a theme your audience loves, like tips, behind the scenes, or weekly challenges, or weekly updates. Keep it consistent so viewers know what to expect. Then you need to plan episodes. Outline 3 to 4 short snaps for each episode. Use a mix of videos, captions, and stickers to keep it fun and engaging. Then post your story series on the same day each week, like every Friday to build a habit. Add countdown stickers or teaser snaps to hype it up. Then you can use polls, questions, or swipe up links to get feedback and interact the viewers. This boosts their reach and makes them part of the series. And that's how you build a weekly Snapchat stories series. Keep it consistent, fun, and interactive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!